See, here in the morning I explained you regarding 1.2 exercise. 3 problems we have done. Fourth problem, here HCF of two numbers is given. HCF of 306 and 657 is equal to 9. Okay, then we have to find out the LCM of this of 306 and 657 is equal to how much. Okay, how will you pronounce this? LCM in is it of 306 into 657. This how much we have to find out. Now we have formula LCM into HCF is equal to product of numbers. Okay, now LCM we have to find out. What is HCF? 9. Product of numbers is 306 into 657. LCM is equal to 306 into 657 upon 9. Okay, 9 ones are 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 37. So LCM is equal to 34 into 657. If you multiply this 34 into 657, 34 into 657, it comes to be 22,338. Like that, if LCM is given, we can find out HCF. How will you get it? HCF, product of numbers divided by LCM. In the same way, LCM and HCF is given. One number is given. We can find out the other number. Like how LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. Okay. Then second number which we have to find out. LCM into HCF upon second number will be your first number will be your second number you will be getting. Okay. How? Let us see. LCM into HCF is equal to first number into second number. Okay, now if you want second number, okay, LCM into HCF divided by first number, otherwise second number also. Okay, now HCF we have to find out. Then first number into second number divided by LCM. In the same way, LCM we have to find out. First number into second number divided by HCF. Like that, if we know one, we can find out the other numbers. Okay, that is the fourth problem. Fifth problem, check whether 6 raised to power 9 can be n with 0. That we have. What is the problem? Let me rub this and I will check whether 6 raised to power check whether this is the fifth one. 6 raised to power n can end with the 0. Can end with 0, that we have to check. Okay. For any number to end with the 0, okay, it should have any number to end with 0. It should have 2 and 5. 2 and 5 as the factors. Okay, compulsory 2 and 5 should be there. Now 6 raised to power n can be written as 2 into 3 raised to power n. Okay, here 2 is there, but 5 is not there. So the number will not end with 0. and will not end with 0. मतलब क्या है, यहाँ दिए है 6 raised to power n. Certain n may be 3, 4, 5 etc. etc. It can be any number. n belongs to natural number. क्या पूछ रहे हैं, this number 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 like that. Supposing 6 raised to power 5 is there. 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 5 times if you write 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. If you multiply, certain answer will be getting, whether this answer end with 0 or not. Supposing 6 cube is there, n is equal to 3, 6 cube is there. If you take a 6 cube means 6 into 6 into 6. So will this number end with 0, it is asked. No, it will not end with 0. Because any number to end with 0, 2 and 5 is there. Because why? Because 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 2 and 5 product should be there. Then only that number 2 and 5 should be the factors. Then only that number will be ending with the 10. Okay, here if you take 2, 6 if we take, we can write it in the form of 2 into 3 raised to power n. N can be any number, natural number. Okay, now 2 3s are 6. Now here 5 is not there. So that is why this number will not end with 0. Supposing ऐसे हो तो 2 into 3 into 5. 2 3s are 15 raised to power n. 15 2s are 30. This number will be ending with the 0. That means a number to end with 0, it is compulsory that it should have 2 and 5 as the factors. Okay, just so I have written everything. You can copy directly into your notebooks. 6 raised to power n with 0, that we have to find out. Any number to end with the 0, it should have 2 and 5 as the factors. Why? Because 2 into 5 is equal to 0. 6 raised to power n can be written as 2 into 3 raised to power n. Here 2 is there but 5 is not there. So the number will not, here number will not end with 0. Okay, this is the fifth problem. Next problem, let us see. Explain 7 into 2, 7 into 11. Sixth problem. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. Are they, it is a composite, first let us, 2 are there. It is a composite number or not, we have to take up. We have to write down. So now, so it can be written as 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 into 1. 13 को लिख सकते हैं 13 into 1. Okay, in both the cases 13 is common, bring out 13. Okay, now what is left over here? 7 into 11, 13 को लेके आ गए बाहर. 7 into 11 plus 1 is left over here. So 13 into 18 plus 1. So 13 into 19. 13 into 77. 13 into 77 plus 1. Okay. That means 13 into 89. 13 into 78. 13 into 78 we are writing. Okay. It is a 13 is a prime number. 72 already. It is a 72 already. It is a 78 already. It is a composite number. So this number is a composite number. It is a product of a prime number It is a product of a prime number and a composite number. Composite number itself is, it can be written now 78 itself is a composite number. So a product, that is why 13 is a prime number. Always the product of a prime number and a composite number is a composite number. It is a product of prime number and a composite number. Therefore, it is a composite number. Got it? Thus we have to prove that it is a composite number. So we have taken 17 in between plus sign is there. 13 written as 13 into 1. 13. Now 7 into 11. 77 between plus sign is there 1. So 13 into 77 plus 1, 78. 78 is a composite number. So 13 is a prime number. So composite number, here itself we are getting it as a composite number. So a product of prime number and composite will be always a composite number. Okay. Now next, in the same way, one more is there in that. What is that? B. 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5. 7 into 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now here also. Okay, now if you take here, let us take 5 into 1. Here, this side. Okay, 5 common leke aa jao. 5. What is left here? 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. फर्क नहीं पड़ेगी लिख के या नहीं लिख के, यह प्लस 1. Okay, 5 into, all this you multiply. 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2. 1008 plus 1. Okay, 5 into 1009. Understood? Once again we will check. 7 6 are 42. 42 4s are 168. 168 into 6. 1008 plus 1 is there. 107. Here also 1009 into 5 is equal to 5045. So here also we are getting 5 in the here means that is a multiple of 5. 1 is a factor, many factors will be there. So therefore, as the number has 5 in the units place, it is a composite number. Otherwise, directly also you can write. It is a product of prime numbers. Okay, these are all prime numbers. Sorry, they are not prime numbers. It is a product of a prime number and a composite numbers. Therefore, it is a composite number. Product of prime number. What is that prime number? 5. And a composite number. Therefore, it is a composite number. Okay. Now, one problem is left over. Here it is asked. There is a circular path around a sports field. Sonia takes 18 minutes to drive one round of the field, while Ravi takes 12 minutes for the same. Supposing they both start at the same point and at the same time and go in the same direction, after how many minutes will they? That means the circular path is there. In that circular path, Ravi and Sonia both are moving. Okay, Ravi takes how many minutes? 12 minutes he will be taking, and Sonia takes 18 minutes. Okay, both supposing both start at the same point. Supposing let us take from the A started. Because his Sonia's speed is more than Ravi's speed. So she will be moving faster, isn't it? So that is why how many now if then they start, they will not move together because their speeds are different. So at what time they will be meeting together? So always remember what time they will be minimum time, maximum time means I told you to take HCF. Here what is the minimum time they will be meeting? So you have to take the LCM. You have to take LCM of 12 and 18 is the again that at that time they will be meeting again. So here we can write that what is the question? How many minutes will they meet again? After how many? This is the 7th problem, no? 7th problem. How many times? This is 7th problem. I am continuing here. However, after how many? So LCM of 12 and 8. First, let us take by 3 method. 2 6 are, 2 3s are, and 3 1s are. Okay. Now 2 18, 2 9, 3 3, and 3 1. Prime number now 12 is equal to 2 square into 3. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 square. So here we have to take LCM. So for LCM what I told, maximum 2 is common, maximum 2 square, and here 3 is there. 3 is how many times? Here it is maximum 2 times, so 3 square. Okay, now 4 into 3 square is 9. So after 36 minutes, at how many minutes they will be meeting together? Again after 36 minutes they will be meeting. Okay, 1.2 exercise I completed. Note down in your notebooks. I will send the 1 2 3 4 problems. It is very easy exercise. If you can do on your